Top database interview questions and answers. Introduction. Over the years, database fields have advanced, and database management systems are widely in use by organizations. With the rise of the IT field, an enormous amount of data is generated every day. To quickly and effectively access and share big data for analysis and interpretation, a DBMS is essential for organizations. Hey everyone, you're watching Sprintzeal channel where you'll enjoy the video and make sure to subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Database interview questions for beginners. Q1. What is a database? A database is a collection of structured and stored data that can be used to accomplish a specific task. Example: a library is a database of books, where books are placed in different sections as per the subjects. Q2. What do you understand by DBMS? DBMS stands for Database Management System. It is a collection of application programs that allow the user to organize, restore, and retrieve information about data efficiently and as effectively as possible. Q3. What is RDBMS? RDBMS stands for Relational Database Management System. It is based on a relational model of data that is stored in databases in separate tables, and they are related by the use of a common column. Data can be accessed easily from the relational database using structured query language, SQL. Q4. What do you understand by data redundancy? The duplication of data in the database is known as data redundancy. Because of data redundancy, duplicated data exists in multiple locations, wasting storage space and compromising data integrity. Q5. What is a record in a database? A record is the collection of values or fields of a specific entity. Q6. What is a field in a database? A field is an area within a record reserved for a specific piece of data. Fields are organized into records, which contain all the information within the table relevant to a specific entity. Q7. What are database languages? What are the types? To create or write database management systems, database languages are used. They are mainly of three types: data definition language, data manipulation language, query language. Q8. What is a unique key? The unique key is the same as the primary key, with the difference being the existence of null. The unique key field allows one value as a null value. Q9. What is a composite key? A composite key is a combination of two or more columns in a table that can be used to uniquely identify each row in the table. Q10. What is a foreign key? A foreign key is a field or collection of fields in one table that uniquely identifies a row in another table or the same table. Q11. What is a cursor? A cursor is a database object that helps in manipulating data row by row, representing a result set. Q12. What are the different types of cursors? The different types of cursors are: implicit cursor, declared automatically as soon as the execution of SQL takes place without the awareness of the user. Explicit cursor, defined by PL/SQL. This handles queries in more than one row. Database interview questions for experienced. Q13. What do you understand by data independence? What are its types? Data independence refers to the capability to change the schema definition at one level in such a way that it does not affect the schema definition at the next higher level. There are two types of data independence. Physical data independence: it changes the schema at the physical level without affecting the schema at the conceptual level. Logical data independence: it changes the schema at the conceptual level without affecting or causing changes in the schema at the view level. Q14. What is SQL? Structured query language, SQL, being ANSI standard language, updates database and commands for accessing. Q15. What is database partitioning? Data partitioning is a partition of the logical database into independent, complete units for improving its management, availability, and performance. Q16.Explain the Database Transaction. A database transaction, DB transaction, is a unit of work performed within a database management system. It can be either completed or uncompleted as a unit. The system will reflect successful completion after the transaction is completed. If the transaction fails, no change will be reflected. Database transaction processing helps maintain the integrity of the database. Q17.Explain Database Index and Index Hunting. A database index is a data structure that advances the speed of data retrieval operations on a database. The procedure of increasing the collection of indexes is known as index hunting. It improves the speed and query performance of the database. It can be done by various methods, such as query optimization and query distribution. Q18. What is a temporary table? Write a query to create a temporary table. A temporary table helps us store and process intermediate results. Temporary tables are created and can be automatically deleted when they are no longer needed. They are very beneficial in places where temporary data needs to be stored. Q19. What do you mean by SQL injection? SQL injection is a technique used by black hat hackers to steal data from databases or tables. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please do subscribe to our channel for such more videos and do not forget to press the bell icon.